Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. As y'all could tell, we're in a slightly different setting. I don't really sit in front of this area too much in the crib, but basically this is like my living room area. Got the shoes in the background. I just picked up this new TV, so this is my little setup that I'm testing out. So if you guys enjoy this setup, let me know in the comment section down below. But today is Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays to everybody. If y'all are doing anything dope, let me know what you guys are doing down below in the comment section. Even if you're not, I hope you're having a beautiful day. I hope y'all are chilling at home, just enjoying and relaxing with the good vibes with your friends, family, or even if you're chilling solo dolo. Thank you guys for tuning in to this video right here. Now, a couple quick announcements. Yesterday, I did my first collab with Daniel Lu. For my first hat collab, I had to do an SJ hat. And without being in this sort of environment, I'm pretty sure I wouldn't be here today. So that's why I wanted to make these hats right here. If y'all are interested in checking these out and learning a little bit more about the story, I'll have a link down below in the description. Now, keep in mind that these are limited hats. We try to go crazy with the detail on them. So if y'all are from San Jose or you would like to support, definitely make sure to check out that link. Hats like these tend to move pretty quick. So if you like them, make sure to get them ASAP if they haven't sold out already. But I just want to let you guys know my first hat drop is live. Now on to other things. I just wanted to do an unboxing here and just show you guys what I was gifted. Now these aren't official Christmas gifts, but a couple companies sent me a couple things, so I figured, you know what, today is Christmas, so let's do a quick unboxing and have this be more or less like just like a little chill time with your boy. You know, I'm just gonna talk to you guys, and this isn't gonna be like a serious video or anything, but yeah, man, I just wanted to do this little unboxing here so y'all could enjoy the little gifts that I got here. So actually not even little, this one is a huge gift, and this is from Puma. So I don't know what's inside. I wasn't told anything. This literally just showed up to the crib. So let's figure out what's inside here. Like what's the deal with this huge box? Let's see. I don't know what it could be, but usually big boxes mean like a pretty crazy packaging. It could be multiple pairs, but hey, that's why we're doing videos like this, so y'all can figure this out with me together. Okay. What is this? Push that to the side here. Okay, first off, I see a logo. I see this crazy logo. I don't know what this is. I might be out of the loop on this one. Let's check it out together. Is it playing an ad? Oh, the ads are playing in the back. Sorry about that. Let's see. Oh, whoa. We got a full fit. Okay. Let's check this out. We're gonna check the shoes out first, since this is a shoe channel. Let's see, I got my size. These are the suede vintage Amis. Hoffa orange marshmallow colorway. I don't know what these are, but let's check these out. Oh, are these laces? Got paper laces in there. See the shoes? Let's see the shoes. Why are they wrapped up so well? Oh, okay. Puma suedes, baby. I absolutely love the Puma suedes. The Puma suedes you can find at like Foot Locker, Champs, and everything. And you can find them usually on discount for like, what, 30, 40 bucks sometimes? And this is a solid casual everyday shoe. But I love the fat laces that they put on here. Typically they don't come with this leather tab on the back, so that's kind of interesting. But now I'm kind of curious, like what is this exactly? It says Alexandre Mattiusi on the paper. So it could be like a collab, a special collab or something. So, okay, these are the shoes right here. These are the shoes. Thank you, Puma, I appreciate that. We got a top for it. Let's bust this thing open. Yo! What the heck, bro? Peep the price tag. Oh my lordy. 290 bucks? Okay. These are fancy. It's kind of fancy, man. Fancy pantsy schmancy. Nice orange pocket action right here. Looks cozy, looks warm. Let me throw this thing on and see how it fits. This might be a fit right here. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Yo, this setup is hard. I like this. The TV in the back, the neon. Bro, come on. Quit playing, bro. Quit playing. Yo, okay, this is nice. I like this setup right here. This setup is sick. Yo, I like this. I like this setup. Shout out to Puma for the gifts. I appreciate it. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research on Ami Alexandre Mattiusi? Oh no, Alexandre M. Atiusi. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I'm probably not. But man, thank you guys. I really appreciate this. Let's get on to the next gift. Shoot, I might have to stand for the next ones because the standing was kind of a vibe, bro. Next up, we got a package from A1 Canvas. Now they are a clothing brand that has sent me stuff in the past, and they literally DM me saying like, yo, Alex, check your mail. We got some stuff for you. So that's what we're doing here today. We're gonna unbox this. I don't know what they sent, so let's check it out. By the way, I love it when y'all have your own brand and I see y'all doing your thing, and I'm more than happy to show love and put you up in videos and stuff like that. Just reach out to me via email at bayrestorations, all right? Let's go ahead and check out what they sent over. We got 2 pieces. First piece looks like a t-shirt. Oh, yeah. The Mac Dre, if you're from the Bay, you already know. Bay Area legend right here, Mac Dre. I love the quality of their pieces, man. This is such a sick tee. I just realized I'm freaking rocking one of their tees right now. I'm telling y'all, for the past like 3 sneaker events, I've been wearing their stuff. I absolutely love it. Looks like a hoodie, and I'm excited because I love their hoodies. Their hoodies always feel so good. Oh man, something about it. I don't even know what it is. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, this is crazy. A1 Shooters Gun Club, Bay Area, California. Thank you guys so much, man. I really do appreciate it. Again, if you guys have a super dope brand and you want me to show off your stuff, it's all good. Just hit me up on the email and I'll definitely show you guys some love. So if you guys want to check out the A1 Canvas brand, I'll have a link down below in the description. And once again, thank you so much for the gift. I really appreciate it. All right, and to wrap up the last part of the video, this one is not really like a surprise gift because I got this one for myself, but your boy hit on sneakers for the first time in a very, very long time. So let's go ahead and unbox this quick little sneakers dub that I got. It's been sitting for the past couple of weeks, so let's do the unboxing. Oh my gosh, why is this so dark? Okay, there we go. Better. All right, here we go. You ready? Bow! Oh, yo! I've never seen the box of these. They're light blue. It kind of shows up as like gray on camera, but it's a light blue box. Love you. Wait. Yeah. Love you forever. We got the certified lover boy Air Force Ones, the Drake Air Force Ones. The Drake Force Ones in my size. And to my knowledge, I don't think that they're reselling for that much. So let's go ahead and take a look at these together. Now the retail price was what? Retail price was higher than a normal Air Force One, and it's because they use like premium leather. So let's go ahead. I'll be the deciding factor of that. Ooh, these are okay. I'm not gonna lie, these are pretty nice. These are pretty nice. At the end of the day, it's still a triple white Air Force One, but the leather looks a lot better than normal. Okay, if you've had a pair of Air Force Ones before, you already know what's up. But check that out. And just the small little details like this, I think that's pretty cool. And I just noted, what the? Hey, yo, Nike! Nike, what's up? What is this? Typically, on the Air Force One sole, we have stars, but since this is a certified Loverboy collaboration, we got the hearts. So that's a nice little detail, nice little touch. Looks like they switched up that whole pattern too. It looks like it's mimicking this same pattern that's kind of like, I don't know if they're trying to do this, but this is the vibe that I'm getting. You see how they have that like shooting arrow, shooting star kind of vibe? That's what I'm getting off of the placement for these holes. It kind of just like looks like it's like popping out. But yeah, pretty cool. And this pair comes with, what is it? This pair also comes with a whole bunch of letters, so you can add letters onto your laces. Pretty cool. Definitely, man, I like these a lot more in person now that I'm seeing them. Pictures never really give a shoe like this justice. It's a solid shoe. I wouldn't pay resell if they're reselling like that, but for a quick retail dub, this ain't bad. This ain't bad. These are pretty solid. We're doing a quick unboxing from Mr. David Got Kicks.
Hey guys, David Got Kicks here. Can you put your hand up? It's me!
Dude.
Don't open your eyes, okay?
Alright, I won't.
Because it literally says what it is on the box. Don't open your eyes, don't open your eyes.
It's a long box. There's some foam, a ukulele, a sound bar. It's not a sound bar, it's a tail light. It's like glossy on the front.
Don't drop it.
It's, what the, wait, hold on. There's no butt.
You probably have no idea what it is.
I really don't know what this is. Can I open my eyes?
Sure. That's the backside.
Oh, sheesh! Yo! Oh my god. Is it gonna show my orders?
Yeah. All 10 of them.
That's kind of hot. That's kind of hot.
If you guys do not know what this is a Shopify counter. So this connects to your website on Shopify and it tells you how many orders you get. Like literally, if this was connected right now and Alex got an order, it would literally turn the number and count in real time.
That's pretty sick.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go connect this. All right, we're gonna end the video right here. Thank you, Mr. David Got Kicks. So that's going to wrap up the Christmas unboxing episode. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. The new year is coming up real quick, so once again, I wanted to thank everybody that shows love on this channel, taps in every now and then. Like, y'all don't have to watch all the videos. I never expect anything from you guys, but y'all are here watching this right now, taking your precious time out your day to watch a video. So that really means a lot to me. Thank you guys so much for every single blessing that y'all have provided me. I really do appreciate it. I'll catch y'all very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Peace.